Good morning, children. Today, our topic is seed structure and types of germination. We proceed further towards germination of seed, types of germination later on. Before that, we'll try to know this seed and its structure. So, a seed structure given, structure of the seed. As we all know, a dry seed. Suppose a dry seed is taken like this. A dry seed, the outer covering of a seed is seed coat. The outer covering of the seed is seed coat. And this is, the entire part is called embryo. As you know, seeds are two types mainly. One is diploid seed, another is monopod seeds. These are two types of seeds. Now, if it is a diploid seed, it has two cotyledons. If it is a monopod seed will have only single cotyledon. Cotyledon means the parts among the embryo. In diploid seed, the embryo divides this cotyledon into two parts with the help of the axis. That is called embryonic axis. Embryonic axis divide this embryo into two cotyledons. This is seen in diploid seed. In monopod seed, the embryonic axis is absent in monopod seed. And what is seedling? When a dry seed is placed in soil or dry seed comes in contact with moisture and soil, it starts germinating. What is germination? The dry seed get mature with the help of moisture, soil. When it get mature, start germination, it produces plumule and radicle. Both the parts are developed. When a dry seed along with plumule and radicle, we call it as seedling. See here, the detailed structure of seed is given here. Now, here this is the seed coat I showed you here. You can see here, the seed coat here. See. This is the seed coat. The seed coat, the outer portion, the external part of a seed is seed coat. Inside it is embryo. This complete part is embryo. You can see it is labeled embryo. Inside the embryo, you can see the arrangement of cotyledon. The attachment of cotyledon. This entire thing we can call it as cotyledon. The attachment of cotyledon further extends down, and here the attachment of cotyledon extends up towards up. This we call it as this part, the attachment of cotyledon extended towards up portion. This further grows into plumule. This part of the seed further grows into plumule, and plumule further develops into a shoot system or stem. Here the attachment of cotyledon extending towards down below. This part we call it as radicle, and radicles further grow into roots or root system. Now, the part which is present above this radicle, this attachment, it is called hypocotyle. And the part which is present just on the tip of this plumule, it is called epicotyle. This part is epicotyle. Plumule we are calling, this is extending towards up, plumule portion. The part which is present just on the tip of this, it is epicotyle, this cotyledon portion, epicotyle, and this is hypocotyle. Hypocotyle further extends down, grows further into radicle, and radicle further develops into root system. And here the plumule further grows into the shoot system. Now, in the second part, we will discuss about what is germination and the major two types of germination, that is apigeal germination and hypogea germination.